Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a biscuit house at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 20 to 30 plain biscuits, 1 cup of icing sugar, and a variety of candies for decoration. Also, prepare a sturdy base, perhaps a 12-inch by 12-inch cardboard square. Make sure your piping bag and a small knife are ready for easy assembly. This initial step sets the foundation for a fun and delicious project. Now, let's build the main structure. Use your royal icing as a strong adhesive. Carefully attach 4 biscuits upright to your prepared base, forming the walls of your house. Hold them in place for a few seconds until they feel secure. It's crucial to let these walls set for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, join 2 more biscuits with icing at the top to create the roof's peak, setting it aside to dry. With the structure firm, it's time for the most exciting part, decorating. Apply a thin, even layer of icing over the roof and walls to create a beautiful snowy effect. Now, let your imagination run wild. Attach colorful candies, sprinkles, and edible glitter. Use a piping bag with a small tip to draw intricate windows, doors, and other charming details. Every house can be unique and reflect your personal style. For the final touches, gently dust your entire biscuit house with powdered sugar. This creates a magical, fresh snowfall appearance. You can also add small edible figures, like gingerbread people or tiny candy trees around the base to complete your festive scene. Your beautiful, homemade biscuit house is now ready. Display it as a charming centerpiece, or gather your loved ones to enjoy this delicious and creative treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.